Hello, welcome to Carlisle High School College Algebra. My name is Miss Brent, and I will be your teacher for this semester. I absolutely love teaching. I've been teaching at Carlisle High School for 25 years. Before that, I did teach part-time as I was raising my children. I taught part-time at Harrisburg Area Community College. And now, interestingly enough, I get to teach Harrisburg Area Community College Algebra at my high school, at Carlisle High School, which I just thoroughly enjoy. It's just a wonderful course. I'm so excited for the semester. As I said, I love teaching. It's one of my joys. I love teaching at Carlisle. All my children went to Carlisle. And now I'm, as you see, training my granddaughters to love the bison as much as I do. I've taught at Carlisle High School, a multitude of things at Carlisle High School, every math class at Carlisle High School, I believe. Harrisburg Area Community College part-time. I'm an adjunct professor there, and I continue to be. I've taught adjunct professor at Shippensburg University. I've taught their college algebra and their business calculus there. I've taught at Dickinson some education courses for them. And I teach in the summer for John Hopkins Center for Talented Youth. We do some math modeling and some competitive math. So I love teaching. I teach all year long at different places, and I'm really looking forward, as I said, to this year. Besides loving my job, I also love my granddaughters and my kids, and you're going to have to listen to little stories every once in a while. I hate to tell you about these four girls. Okay, these are my four granddaughters. Hazel is 7, Jovi is 4, Chloe is 2, and Joy is 1. These are my goofy kids and their wives and husbands. So hopefully you'll indulge me a little bit every once in a while with a few stories here and there. Most of the time we'll be doing business. We'll be doing college algebra. This is the website that we use, Schoology, and you'll find everything you need on this site, guys. Okay, please familiarize yourself with it. And if you have any questions, always ask me first. Always. I want to know your questions. I want to know what you're struggling with. I can help you. I know I can. If I can't, I will help you find who can. If you're having technology issues, let's say, or whatever, and I can't seem to help you. All right. One thing I want you to familiarize yourself with is the course overview. You'll hit Materials tab and you'll go to the Course Overview Syllabus tab. And when you do that, this is what will come up. Okay. Everything you need to know is in the syllabus, really, about the structure of the course and what to expect. Okay. It goes into the fact about this being a dual enrollment course. You are getting your high school credit for math, but you're also getting 3 college credits through Harrisburg Area Community College. You will transfer these to wherever school you choose to go to after you graduate from Carlisle High School, and you'll have your college algebra out of the way. Okay? Again, my name's Miss Brent. I'll be the teacher this semester. Unlike other courses that I teach at Carlisle High School, this semester course is broken into the weeks with exactly what we'll be going over each week. Okay? Harrisburg Area Community College stays on top of what we're doing here in the high schools. We're not the only high school that offers this. Okay, other high schools in our area, Cumberland Valley, New Oxford, they all offer dual enrollment classes, Mechanicsburg. So don't, so they have to make sure that we're all teaching the same things. It's a little bit easier for me since I do teach at college algebra for HAC. So whatever I'm doing at HAC, I do in the high school as well. So you'll be getting the exact same course, but they do check in from time to time. Make sure that we're doing what we need to do. Okay. As a result, though, you can know what we're doing each week right now. Okay, I didn't put it all on here, but it's all on Schoology, so you can see every week what we're doing, what sections we'll be covering. Okay, and that may help you. I also have a link to the calendar, so you can see when we have days off or different things about just Carlisle's school calendar, the handbook, so you know how to behave and what's expected, everything everything that Carlisle High School, all the rules of Carlisle High School and the procedures are followed in this Carlisle Virtual Academy course as well. Okay? Everything that you need can be found on Schoology. I will post an update every week. Okay? It'll be the first thing you see when you open the Schoology College Algebra site. This is a sample from last year, the week of October 5th. It tells you we're moving on to Unit 2. This is what you'll do. You'll go to the Unit 2 folder, watch the videos and take notes, etc. It tells you what assignments to do and when they're due. Okay? This is just a suggested timeline. I give that each week to help you break it up if you need that. You don't have to do it in this order. You just make sure you do everything that's due that week, but you don't have to do it in this order. I suggested maybe Monday and Tuesday, watch the 2 videos and do the 2-1 homework assignment from the book, the Socrative homework. That would be enough for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe watch the next 2 videos and do the 2-2 homework assignment from the book and a practice worksheet. Thursday and Friday, do the 2-3 homework from the book because now you've watched all the videos and there was a Schoology assignment. Okay, so a couple days for each little task. I also give you a link for my office hour. My office hour will change, unfortunately, each week, okay? Because we're doing the block scheduling this year, or the extended block. So, where do I have? So I won't actually have the same office hour each week. I will have a 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. Okay, and that you'll see that on the update as to when my office hours are. Assignments are going to be done either in Schoology, taking pictures of your work and sending them to me. I use a website called Socrative, and I use quizzes. It's Q-U-I-Z-Z-I-Z. Okay, it's a website. I'll be going over all that also as the weeks go on. As far as technology, besides your school laptop or your desktop computer that you have, I'm hoping that you will make sure your Wi-Fi's decent so that you can access everything. And I would like you to have a graphing calculator. These are some examples of graphing calculators that are fine to get. TI-83, TI-83 Plus, TI-84, TI-84 Plus, TI-84 CE. If you don't have one of these calculators or can't get one of these calculators, you can borrow one for me for the semester. Email me and I'll arrange for you to pick one up with your other supplies. Okay? If you're having technology assistance that you cannot rectify and you've already asked me and I've tried and we can't seem to rectify it, here you go. Student technology request for help. Okay? And I'm sure the tech department will be able to help you with that. All right, so besides the course overview, also go to the communication tab. In the communication tab, I just reiterate that I welcome and encourage questions. Feel free to email or call me anytime. Here's my email. Here's my school phone. Message me through Schoology. Okay? My office hours, here's what I say about they will differ from week to week due to the green-white schedule. I'm going to have a morning office hour and an afternoon office hour each week. 2 different times to accommodate people's schedules. Maybe this week I'll say on the update, it'll say Tuesday at 10 and Thursday at 3. Maybe next week it'll say Monday at 10 and Wednesday at 3. I'll try to keep it to be the same hours once we find out. I want to talk to you about what's best, and I'll find times that work. If neither of my office hours work for you that week, email me. I will gladly make a Zoom session just for the 2 of us, okay, to make sure that you understand it and give you a little tutoring when it works for you, okay? So again, I'm looking so forward to this semester. College Algebra is a great course. As long as you ask questions, follow the syllabus, you'll be fine. You'll be absolutely fine. I'm looking forward to seeing you the first day of school.